Dear member, welcome to week 5. You made it. I hope week 4 was great. And if it was great, you know that your attendance is really helping the rest of the community just thanks to your presence. Isn't that amazing? Week 5 is about referrals. And that's it. The to-do is make a list of 10 people in your chapter, 10 people that you can give a quality referral to. Once you make that list, work on the referrals with the primary objective of that referral actually, really opening the door for your fellow member. Now, referrals, this is why we are in BNI, and it's important to understand what they really mean, because I love it when Ivan says this, and he says it over and over. He says it's not net sitting or net eating, it's networking. It requires work. It doesn't just randomly happen, and there's a process to it. The process to passing a good referral. And remember, you're doing this because what you do today is going to come back to you in return. And hence do it with the right intention, the right affection, and give it the right attention, and that will change everything about your BNI membership experience. So here's what you need to do. And know is that a referral is not a lead. It's not about passing a WhatsApp number. I mean, anyone can find it, right? A referral is about really understanding what the other member's need is, making sure that you have the right person or the right company in mind, speaking to that person and company, setting the stage for the person in your chapter or in BNI that you want to refer to that outside vendor or customer or whatever it may be, and then ensuring that you make that connect in the most authentic manner. That makes a difference. Keep in mind, here's some secret tips. Keep in mind if that person likes his phone number to be given out, if that person is better dealt with on an email, if that person prefers a personal meeting, you know what? Take your fellow member and go to that meeting. It is going to change the way, I promise you, that people look at you and trust you in BNI. I wish you all the very best this week. Make a list of the people that you can help and really open doors for them.